Are you looking for a way to hide your TikTok account from contacts? In this short tutorial, I will show you step by step how to hide your TikTok account from contacts and protect yourself from unwanted attention. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. And then scroll down until you find the TikTok app. Once you find it, tap on it. And then the very first option is Contacts. So if you have this toggled on, that means TikTok has access to your contacts. If you don't want your contacts to find your TikTok account, simply toggle this off. And now your TikTok account is hidden from contacts on your phone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.